You also did your JT on it over. That's what happened.
Try again. I need another baby.
Natanya, even I can't.
What did you?
Daddy, I can't right now.
You, we're going to keep on trying. Who's this one? We're going to keep on trying.
Yes, baby. Don't go better than to be done. What? Tuzongochida.
Yeah.
Tuzongochida. Babe, do you know that you're an amazing woman?
And just say.
Not Zviri. Not Zviri. You just want to hear it more and more and more.
No. And this is let's go.
I want to take a nap. No, it's getting going. And this don't go to shame. This end is all right. This could also say, Yana, why was it Baba Zoruchem? When I'm digging,
What are you just raped?
Mkazwangu, uri mkazwangu iwe. Ndinogure babachi. Uzibati, uzinzwa, uzibati. Yeshama. Enda panza hapo kana zinetsa. Nayi.
I don't understand something. Saka watombukira sure watombukira kugadzira breakfast munhu kushusha so. Really? Ndiyo ngaenda isho. Saka watombukira aha. Kana iri enda icho banga zvigara ndofamba single. You are going to understand kana wamo. Sadza boko. Sebate. Napedza kugadzira chikafu changu.
Good.
Patena ndokumbira kwani. Hello? Ndokumbira kwakukona. Okay, no problem. It's fine.
Eh? Udah flex apa? Tunggu, mama inaenda kusia.
Nyanga kaenda no train wana boat for 20 years ambondisi.
Mira uone. Ukuthi bafutesa kupera.
Ngikuya kwako exercises zo. Ukudza tiona TMS. Our everyday life is full of exercises.
That's another way to put it. But it's not our choice though. It has just become the way of our life. Nema chips that no farira. Trust me, it's not good for us.
Sure. See DJ. Kufa kwako yo.
But can I ask you something though?
Ask.
What's your view on men who put their hands on women?
I don't support it.
Me too. I don't. The worst thing a man can do to a woman is to put his hands on her. If you see me one day doing that, you're my guru. Tora danda on the pond.
Udaje kumsha kwetu kwete ngozi.
Ngozi chivo, tiri my brothers isu.
Kufa chakuwese kura. You know what? I just realized that there's something I need to do. I'll catch you later. Okay.
All right. I'll catch you later. I'm just gonna finish my work and I'll head home. Umorse my ninanti.
Yeah. And if you are not up for another challenge, I can still beat you.
And ukunda next time.
All right. Uri munhu akaita seizvozvo.
Kuchine bata.
Uri munhu werudzi anofumura zvinhu make kufukura hapo kuti nyika yese izive.
Kone bata. Zvinoita zvekupopotweka unotibvunza zvakanaka ndokutsanangura ndina munhu ndambotaura naye.
Kutsanangura kuti chiko uri kuudzirei vanhu about the problems that you are facing. You can go to my people and tell them about the things that you are going through, man.
So who am I supposed to
You tell nobody. Tinodila my problems edu tega kwete kumuudza vanhu. Apa you're telling people close to me.
Babe. Tinodzodzwa nevanhu. I can't tell my people that you're hitting me. The moment I do that, it's a very big mistake, Babatan. Even when you're a better man, they'll never forgive you. Even when I have forgiven you, they will never forgive you.
Well, I'm sorry, my Tanya. I'm really sorry, but we can handle them ourselves. What was about me?
Baby, our problems, they affect us and the people around us. Panzo, I have to tell you people because they'll talk to you the way you understand and even you will listen to them.
What's wrong with you?
When you're the person I'm going to roll. Will never.
I will never cheat. You are married to me, not to them. Listen to me. If I even here, I'm telling you, you will regret. Now, you take off those damn clothes. We're going to try to stand about.
Please. Man, ndinokumbira ndine muri kumba kuma ndane 3 days ndiri munomu. Ndinokumbira I'm sorry. Please.
Mazuva.
Please, ndokumbira.
It's only 3 days.
Please,
okay?
Please, I'm sorry, I beg you. Please, please. Please, I beg you. Please, please, let me out, please. Please, andichadzikwanise. Please, ndokumbirawo.
3 more days, okay? 3 more good days.
I need to go home and ndine family, ndine muri kumba, please. I beg you.
You should have thought of that before you harassed me, okay?
I'm sorry, please.
Bye.
Please, please.
Babe, are you okay? Babe, what's wrong? Are you okay?
Stem. Wow. Ndizvikuoneka kuti zviri kuita.
Hey, what's going on?
Babe, don't worry, I'll explain to you later, okay?
And be very careful. Because pane zvimwe zvinhu zvisingafanira kuzikanwa nevana.
This is not right. Kuite mangu.
Well, it's called keeping my friends close. So that when they become my enemies, I'll keep them closer.
Babe, what's going on? What babe?
Babe.
What's she talking about?
Oh, my apologies, ma'am. I think I'm in the room now, so I'll show myself out. Got a beautiful wife, though.
Chakma, what's going on?
It's nothing.
What do you mean it's nothing? It doesn't seem like nothing to me.
Babe, don't worry, I'll explain to you later, okay? Okay, this won't happen again. Okay.
Did you tell anyone about Shulutika Pampana? Really? But why? They're not gold. Ndakaudza bankuru utafuna. Ndakatononoka kuvataura maitani. Ngati ndakataudza kudhara nyaya iyi. Muda kusvika rini muchirarama like this pamba panapo? But Lily, it was not your right to. Maitani, ndakanga nditori nemvumo yekuita izvozvo. Wazvinzwa? Most people in a situation unotanga kutoona kunge everything is okay. Nothing is okay, baba Tanya achigara achikurova zvaari kuita. He's actually abusing you and you kutaura kuti zviri right. Baba Tanya haana right yekutombokurova, ndiyo itori abuse yakutokuita maitani. Haana right yekukurova baba Tanya.
Batanya, What's wrong with you these days? It seems like you're trying to avoid me. Is it because ndakakuvunza about my Tanya?
Nothing is wrong with me, man. Why are you asking?
I don't recognize you anymore. You're not the man we both grew up to be.
I'm still me. I haven't changed. Are you sure we're talking about the same thing here?
You know very well what I'm talking about.
Tavuma, don't get involved with my wife and my family. I don't see Tafuma fitting anywhere there.
But Tanya, like it or not, I'm here for you. Anything bad that you do, it always points back to me. Do you understand? The world actually judges us by the actions of our friends. Let's not beat behind the bush here. Man, putting your hands on your woman. Man, who were raised better than this?
Leave me alone.
Batay, do you think you are the only one who have problems? Man, everyone you see walking around here, they have issues, man. But they don't take it out on people they love. Man, you should be a man.
Do you think you're a better man than me?
The hell, man? Right now, I'm better.
When you keep on having miscarriages, we keep on losing kids.
So beating her is going to make her keep the baby or what?
It's not my fault. It's her fault. She's the one who's failing to keep a baby in her womb.
It's not her fault too. And let me tell you something. When a woman has miscarriage, you should stop to keep trying, because the more you keep trying, you're not giving her time to rest. Chibereko chake chinovana kusimba ichi. But you chinoramba chisotora. Ukaramba uchitry sachasimba chinongosotora futi. Utry futi chosotora futi. So it's not a problem. It's your problem too, both of you. And musikuzela mukuita.
What are you saying?
I'm saying, give her a break to rest. Give her 1 to 2 months, and you'll see.
Thanks, man.
Man, not hitting back doesn't mean I can't. It doesn't mean she can't too. Always remember that.
You hit.
Nah. You're looking at the way you're wrong.
Takazongoti bega nditori yakashata nekuti chikururudo pane kuchiva runako rwacho runondipe amwimba medu runounze asi kunza bopoto ana rudo. Asante asante sana wakaite basa wakandidzidzisa.
I just want to talk.
Maitanya anogona kukurerutsira here, but kwete nini.
What do you mean?
You know what I mean, Mankuru?
Actually, I don't.
You always lecture me about life, but when you go out there, you do exactly the opposite. CD lokwetanya vanogara chikona muchiro wamukadzi CD mwana wechikomana akaita semi zvaari kukura chiona ndo zvachangoitawo ende mangwana kana mukadzi wako achiti CD achiro ari kurowa mukadzi don't complain because ari kuzvona time unonodya akanyarara nti unondirekete sei
I'm gonna change my ways.
It's all up to you, Banko.
I don't know, Angwara. The student is now the teacher. There's no dumb. Anyways, this is good food. I'm doing the for internet cafe. Cafe no big way.
I actually wanted my sister to be part of the meal, but then
I know.
it was supposed to be a special meal for the family. But anyway, still family.
You are my family. She is my family. He is my family.
I